everyone. So I just got this package from YesStyle. It's just a bunch of makeup stuff that I got. So yeah, unbox with me. Low-key ASMR, hashtag ASMR as well. So yeah. Okay. Oh wait, oh my god, never mind. So I mainly bought sorry, what? I can't even speak. I mainly just bought some makeup stuff actually. So yeah, as you can tell, yeah, I just got some. Mostly a majority of it is mainly makeup stuff and some lip balms. I literally got a shit ton of lip balms. I'm not sure what came over me, but yeah. So first up is the Heroin Make mascara. I don't know what this one is called, but it's different from the one I have. It's like a micro one. Just don't know what it's called. I'll have to open it up. And yeah, I didn't expect it to come like this quick actually. It's the Advanced Fill mascara, so it's a little different from the one I have. The one I had, the kind of like the one that everybody has has a shorter cap, but this is a longer one, and it's very micro, so I guess it's best for your low lashes. But yeah, I bought it in this brown color, so I'm really excited to actually try this out because I've never tried a brown mascara before. So yeah, so that's what I bought. Oh Jesus. And as usual, I bought the Heroin Make Speedy Mascara Remover. I had mine for like ages, and yeah, I just need a new one like ASAP. So yeah, it's just like crazy. My one is like super old now, and it's like the water's turned like black because of my mascara. So yeah, super happy to get a new one, and the pricing is like pretty fair. It's kind of like pretty ordinary. It's pretty worth it. So the next thing I got is, oh my god, is this SPF 50 PA plus from Carmake. It's the Mermaid Skin Gel UV. And I actually was gonna buy the Biore one because that's the OG one that I always use, but apparently this one's even more best-selling, and it's a lot smaller than I thought. Apparently there's a tinted one as well. So let me see what actually it feels like. Oh, it's got the same texture. Oh, but it's kind of like shimmery. I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually shimmery a bit. It's got this kind of like glow factor to it. You can't see because of like, yeah, it's like sort of shimmery. But oh, I was not expecting that. But yeah, so that's the Carmake one. And it smells like sunscreen, so not as bad, but it just smells. What else did I get? Okay, I got, oh, Jesus Christ. Just take this off. Throw this out. Sample. I have no idea what this is actually. Oh, it's a cream sample from this brand. Just check it. Okay, I got a lot of lip balms. So these are the 4 lip balms that I got, and as you can probably tell that I actually just bought, this is like literally just J Beauty, like it's just J Beauty haul pretty much at this rate. These are actually all lip balms that BTS used. I have no idea what I was going through, but yeah, I was just like, I saw like a bunch of these on TikTok as well, and I also found out at the same time that they were like stuff that BTS used. So yeah. Okay, so out of the ones that the BTS used, it's these 3. So this is the one that apparently V said is like really good, and essentially it's like a lip balm, but I guess it's like kind of glossy, so it's got like sparkles in it, so I guess it's like sparkly lip gloss, but it's a lip balm. This is one that Yoongi used. It's the Peach and Vanilla Nivea one. I actually really like the shape of this, and I haven't tried a Nivea lip balm in like forever, and I don't really like the smell of vanilla very much, so I hope it smells a lot like peach. And this is the one that Jimin used. It's not a lip balm. I think it's more of what we would say a tinted lip balm. It's like this red color, so hopefully it's got a more natural look to it. But it looks really good on the picture, so hopefully they all look nice and smell nice. And from, I think this is the same brand. I think it's, oh, I should probably tell you what brand it is. This is the Mentolin. The Mentolin brand. I think these three are actually the same brand. They're all Mentolin. This is the Melty Cream Lip. This is in honey flavor, or like rich honey. Yep, rich honey flavor. This is their lip fondue. This is straight up just a lip balm. This is the lip balm line. This is they're kind of like glossy or tinted, and then this is like, I have no idea, Turn Up CC, like tinted lip balm as well. So yeah, so Mentolin Turn Up CC, Mentolin Lip Fondue, and Mentolin Melty Cream Lip, and all of them have SPF except for this one, so which is good because you need SPF on your lips as well. And yeah, this is by Nivea. And I got this vitamin C, I think it's like a spot treatment. Apparently it's like #1 in Japan. I cannot read this, but it was really popular on the YesStyle website. It was one of the best sellers, and it's also by the same brand, which is Rota Mentholatum, which is the Melanose CC. So apparently this is like really good. So hopefully I can open this so I can show you what it looks like. But it's just like a spot treatment, and apparently a little goes a long way. It was kind of pricey. It was like $20, I think, but yeah, I'm excited to try it out because my vitamin C serum is running out. So yeah, another one from another sample, and I got this, which is a bubble lip mask. This is from Rire, Korean brand. And yeah, apparently it's like a lip scrub, and you just put it on your lips and it bubbles. So hopefully I can open this up without ruining the goddamn package. So this is what it looks like. Oh. Do I just, yeah. Oh, I thought it was like you actually lip it, but I guess it's like this. And yeah, and I also got some pop tops, but it's just kind of whatever. Really, I bought the same one like a while back, but I like lost them for some reason. I have no idea where they've gone actually. So I got a white one and a black one, and they're pretty they're pretty nice, and they were like really cheap. They were like $6 or $7. So yep, I got a black and a white one. So yeah, and that's pretty much it for this very short haul video. If you guys want to purchase from YesStyle, you can use my code for a discount. It's basically SAII999, so capital SAII 999, and you'll save a discount. So yeah. Ooh. Anyway, see you guys soon.